What is going on with my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. That's right, guys. Talking about Meta today. I got the beach behind me here at Myrtle Beach. Wanted to bring you guys this update. Can we just say let's go on the stock, man? It is booming right now. The stock is doing great. As I'm recording this, yes, I got the hat on, man, because it is blazing out here and the sun is just really crazy today. Let's take a peek at this real quick, guys. Beautiful, beautiful beach day. Lots of people out. It is a really hot one out here. Myrtle Beach is looking fantastic. As you see, you got some parasailers down there going as well. So, pretty cool stuff. You see all the hotels and stuff here, guys. Beautiful view there of the clouds. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. So, get this flipped back here. Okay, so we're going to go over. George was a little upset on his Twitter account and kind of blaming the NASDAQ in a sense. So we're going to go over his tweets, go over the stocks, see what we're looking at. So guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up, check out the links down below, and let's go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that intro there of the beach view. Now we're back here on Webull. Like I said, I'm on vacation if you didn't get that. So I am using my older laptop. So if you're looking at this and the quality, visual and sound is a little off, that is why. But guys, I must say we are up right now. Currently, we was up about 15%, I believe, earlier today, 12%, and now we're up about 6%. And we were up here at a high today at like, what is this? $4.60, almost 68 cents. And we have came back a little bit because it did jump up a good bit from where it was. Yeah, the change there was like 12%, and now we are back down here a little bit, but I'm pretty happy with that. The stock there was hovering below, like in the higher threes, like 390 something. So to be back up in the fours is pretty promising. Now, let's go back here and cover, as we talked about in that intro, about Mr. George. That's right, here he is, the CEO of Meta Materials. So, here on his Twitter page. And could this tweet have anything to do with the buying pressure? So here's his first post 5 hours ago. And George, in bold capital letters, says, "This is getting ridiculous now." And he tagged the NASDAQ. So as you can see, I put a like on it right there. I love for George because I completely understand. And if you look down here on Webull, George is using Webull here as well. Down here, what he has highlighted, this is what he's upset about. Under the sector, it has him under the energy sector. And under industry, it has oil and gas production. That was Torch. We're not Torch anymore. This is Meta Materials, man. This is MMAT. So that had George upset. So that's why he did that tweet and tagged the NASDAQ. Now, if we go back up here, you will see where George 1 hour ago, so it took about 4 hours. He says, "Thank you at NASDAQ," and he did MMAT. Now, if you go back here and look at the key data, under sector, it is technology, and under industry is semiconductors and related devices. So, apparently, George's tweet, and as I say, all the meta millionaires, that's what I call us, man, we're the meta millionaires, must have got NASDAQ's attention because they went in and changed that within a couple hours. So, I do find that very interesting that the power of Twitter and the power of social media might have had a little bit to do with that. Comment down below, what do you think? Did social media and the meta millionaires and George have a little bit to do with the NASDAQ getting on the ball and changing this around? I think that is a good key because shortly after that happened, the stock did take off. As you see here, it was doing pretty good. Now, there is this other Twitter page here. We cover this a lot. They have a lot of great information on here, but this is not the official, Meta Materials page. This is the Meta Material news page, and this is someone just having people's post and due diligence. So here you can see they posted, after the merger, Meta and Torch will be down. It was down 90%. The reversal is incoming. They called that on 2 days ago on July the 12th. And as you can see today, it was up very hard. It was up really good today. And down here, they shared as well. After the CEO of Meta Materials' frustration with the manipulation going on with the stock, The NASDAQ changed the sector back to technology, which we just covered that right there. He has George's 2 posts, and there they shared George's post we just covered. Now, here's a gentleman that we do got to cover. I wanted to put this in the video, and this guy's Twitter is Adapt or Left Behind. I do like that name, actually. And here you can see, he said, is this a joke? They can't even keep the proper industry and sector data assigned for more than 24 hours. It was a tech semiconductor yesterday when the market opened, and that's what he's doing there. But, so I went on this gentleman's Twitter page and just kind of seen, because I see up top here, he does have Lucid, EVs, disrupting. He has metamaterials. He does cryptos. So I was down here scrolling through his Twitter page, and there was his post there. And where was it at, guys? Down here. This one here is a post that he has from just yesterday, July the 13th. And I do appreciate this man's due diligence, so I wanted to share this due diligence on the channel. Now, like I said, this isn't the official metamaterials. This is just some gentleman's due diligence, so I think we needed to cover it and kind of go over what this gentleman says. So here he says, bullet point number 1, more than 70% of all the buying and selling on the stock markets are done by machines. Machines logic algorithms that look for tons of factors in order to make one simple decision: switch positions, buy, sell, or hold. Very interesting there. I think that is probably true. I don't believe in 2021 there is a person for a big institution sitting there making the decisions to buy, sell, or hold, or stock. I do believe it's probably all computer generated, and that could be a part of the whole market in a general of why the retail investor stocks are getting destroyed right now. I'm sure if you look at your portfolio, I'm looking at my portfolio, and we're all down right now, man. We're all getting beat down from just what it was a couple months back. Bullet point number 2, until you look at MMAT on your broker and it says market cap says 1.5 billion or more, the merger has not completed. Very interesting there, which we know is true. Bullet point number 3, until the merger is complete, meaning the market cap is post-merger, all machines will continue to value as a low cap oil stock, meaning right now all the institutional smart computers out there are not buying because we are at $2 to $5 value stock trading at 7. And here is the very interesting bullet point number 4. The moment the merger completes, which is supposed to happen on the 30th, so we got about 2 more weeks, suddenly all the machines out there see us as a mid-cap tech stock trading at a $7 with a value of a $40 on average. Guess what happens then? All the switches flip to buy the position because we are selling way low the average market price for a mid-cap tech stock. I must say that is I like that due diligence here for this gentleman. Power Roadmap posted this here for Adapt or Left Behind. So nice tweet right there. I do appreciate all that information. And I do kind of, in a sense, agree with what he has to say there. So we do have one more down here. He posted back on July the 10th. And here's one where he shared this here. Bought a bulk of my MMT post merger, but by the initial investment, the torch side, I managed the downside and did the 6. Same hedging strategy for AMC and MMAT. I'm a blank holder of both. I hold GME. I am sharing my initial entry into AMC. It's relevant to the current situation. I bought it initially at 9. We rose approximately to 14.50, then a huge drop to 8.50. At this point, we're being smothered with shill bot comments such as squeeze over and bag holder, to the point I started questioning my own DD. Shorts hammered us. I held. I turned off the noise because I knew what I was holding. Why would shorts pay so much attention to a stock that had no value? Because they needed our shares and they needed them cheap. I'm not letting the hedges or shorts tell me the price of MMAT. I know what I'm holding. I have what they need. I don't give a damn what Ortex Fintel says. I look forward to the next few weeks as well as long-term prospects of this company. MMAT has a few things early. AMC did not. No negative media coverage. Daily Seeking Alpha Market Watch. They posted avoid AMC. Hit pieces. A squeeze on the horizon. How big? No idea, but MMA and Torch has done what we GMC AMC shareholders have been asking for: a special dividend, preferred share, or crypto, anything other than straight up cash dividend. GME AMC knows the significance of this. I wish more MMAT understood. I look forward to battling it out with you all Monday. Have a great weekend. That is an interesting post as well. I must say that was very interesting. I really like that as well, actually. So guys, we got a lot of information in today's video. Comment down below, what do you think about all this information we see here on Twitter, other people's due diligence. And if you enjoyed that intro, man, please smash the thumbs up. Keeping you all up to date with what's going on with MMAT while on vacation. So guys, I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.